you know.
Yeah.
So I'm working hard for mom.
It's being appreciated.
Yes, and everything. So he said, why can't I live my life? How dad if I get this cabbage of mine, then we'll be hugging. I would feel good.
Yeah.
Rather than caprice mode, utara kenori expect. Why can't I make myself happy? So, I love boobs. That one I can't lie to you. Not even the face plus. Okoniara hotakujik. Any modo equaria na modo kinyo kaigwaja. Yugo. Kowa na tizura kanake. Oya karari ogo. The body. Okay, wow. So I used to love, you know. So I used to after the whole community. It's the devil was trying to fight marriages. You know, the devil knows I fight marriage. Nina kanitha, na nina kanithare, si ametawala.
Gatho cia mwanya murori wa Kikuyu Trading News muthenya wa umuthi ni muthenya wa Monday, the first day of the week, na tukureheire kairetu gakiri na rugano rwa mwanya. Ici ni ngano cia maundu maria maikoretwo magithii na mbere guku nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria, na ni already goiko ngigikwira njitikiria tuko tukigwa kuma kurie na ndugakorwo ugigithiura mutambo. Na tukiri hanguri kene twihandu nyiteo ni kambuni ya kwendia mĩciĩ ya Maxton Homes. Marakwenderia nyumba njake. Nyumba ici ni 3 bedroom master and suite, na nyumba ici ciakitwo mita 400 kuma barabara-ini. Ungikorwo ndukire na mbeca icio ciothe ri, mena payment plan wako uikireha o 1.8 million, wako balance ukireha kwa kahinda ka mwaka umwe na nuthu, na ciikuria mara ni town ira irako ikora na njira nene muno guku bururi-ini. Na kumenyithie ungikenda gukorwo ugikinyitana na kambuni ino na njira ya thimu, ukorwo ukimahurira thimu kuhitukira 0719 111 777. Njokere ringi 0719 111 777. Na riu na gitio kinene muno njitikiria nyite mugeni witu uhoro ora. Ira mwiroreri maritwa maku tugicoka ugithikiriria rugano rwaku.
Muriega eroreri amaritwa jitagwo Margaret Wajikwa Kamau, nyumite Naivasha na ndi haha gugeshare my story.
Yes.
Yes.
Mundu gwitwo wajira Agnes.
Margaret.
Oh sorry. Margaret warikirie thukuru mwaka uriko? High school.
Ndarikirie high school 2018. Rukuma how I joined the campus. Na ndirarikia last year December.
Wakaida yako ureka atia?
Right now I'm still looking for internship. Koguo ndirona handu ha kwinyitirira.
Ndakorwo ngikigwa ukina karugano very interesting. Ndakigwa ni gukorwo ngigwitha. No tutane ndeka ati karugano gaka ri ona ringi gugishare ri intention ya gushare karugano gaka niki kana ringi ri kuigwa ringi hoterikite ni urenda gushare. What made you like decide to share the story?
Okay,
online.
The main reason I decided to share my story was to inspire people out there. Na muno kwariria aciari to keep their kids close, todo kurigana na uria guheana story ni ukuona ni haria ndathire wrong, it was because of the parents. Koguo ndi haha I inspire people na kwariria muno aciari na pia to help other people, girls out there who are suffering from the same thing. Mamenye kwina andu magereire undu-ini uyu and they came out successfully.
True. Tutathi na mbere mwiroreri ndakwetwo ngikurehera mwana kiongi na kiakorirwo na story ya we sensitize aini aria upcoming thoko maikihũthĩka na njĩra njũru kuringana na mahinda maya uria guikaire ici platforms citu tugite to cia kurehe muceneri ngimehemehe twako tukirehe nginya maundu mara impact the society tondu maundu maya makirikuna ni marahanika na tukiri na Múirítu riu tukio twikigwa rugano rwake na ndugagithiore mutambo na yota subscribe ite ukirikane go subscribe thini wa channel ino. Yes, back to you.
Kwa rugano rwako tukwambia o haria ndacerirwo Naivasha handu hetagwo Kayole. That's where I've grown up.
Naivasha kuri Kayole?
Yeah, there is a Kayole in Naivasha. Wahituka handu hetagwo Kiroche, next stage it's Kayole. Ruku ni kwendereirwo kuma ndi munini no ni twambite tugagika Dandora for quite some time, but I was still young. Tugicoka ru tugithamira kuu. So rukuma hau niho ngurite gathomera ku primary, gathomera Gilgil Girls High School, then ngiuka Nairobi back in 2019. And my story will start from where I was in class 3. Ndio dari na miaka 8. That was back in 2008. Hau niho karugano gakwa kambirie where hedio ni henderia tugikora ni twakorire gugithako kamuthako gaka ka chama mana cha baba Koguo as normal kids on ithin twagithakaga but without knowing with personally jari hakwa dekorire ndirathaka cha baba na cha mama was the dad na so I had a woman ule waktaga ta
we ulikuwa na act kama dad.
Yes, most of the time I would act as the dad because I was brave and everything, so like wakadena drive I want to be the dad. So growing up karuguru kultugithaka was the dad, but diamenyaga it's something that is in me na nigo kakuni hound later. So tugithaka we used to sneak from home either to ina so kairia kaukare mostly na airetu, so used to sneak from home tugathiĩ kanitha we hau wari it's a neighbor church utwathiĩ ko we would go do our things there, you know.
Good things.
Okay, we girls, so we would go there, you just undress, you start doing your things, you know, as small kids you're doing it innocently without knowing it's something that will later affect you.
So you're doing these things wekaga uri your dad.
Even
the things.
Yeah, okay, you know, back then the exposure was low. Tita, dore. Ore karibu ya wigwa negwekago. You just undress, cuddle, nini, nothing much. So gekoro it was a norm. Do ikagetuikanika mutu. So I'm the dad. You know, I'm all those things. So you grow up in class 6, that's when we started learning about the reproductive system. No, how at least okay, here exposure life, okay. Ukoragwo na kuhano so ukahigoka hanini so that is when I was rugiabia kuona how ni horo ukoraga boys there imara katira tusichana uko class yes, but for me it was a different story because daigo akiodoke rumo no boys akini katira yani unaniandikia letter kwa nini you know so ndiramnya nikikiragia na I had no one to share it but Múirítu agiaguhereire kana goto ikaraga boy girl you know ndake na mundu daigwa na kairetu but you don't know why no ro na kairetu ga ku entertain ni oraigwa yani akikupea yani shoulder yani you know being close with a girl it felt good. So that was in class 6 na how noho I transferred githie shukuru ige na kairetu kamwe twari na actually ni mwana wa pastor agithama nake ndathomire Naivasha town a school called Milimani Primary na kegithie DB so na ntwa transfer so that is where everything started in class 6 to githikurekereria that time kairetu gakare hakinyete handu ni tuiguanire fi yani we connected inyaru twathi different schools but ithe tumagira 6:30 shukuru no maumagira 4 but this girl wouldn't go home kama hajaniona ama like we've not hugged like tutahagite dagigwa you know dikani toro tagiage ukire but Rusia ajetagira kuma 4 to 6:30 tuinukanie na gotire ndona wa mana turauga ni ile two stories za shule nini so akakejeterera because of one thing just a hug now akuhagio kaigwa daigwa
kaigwa
kaigwa mwere wothe wa bururuka but you so innocent
no
exactly no yorego yani there is something good you feeling so it continued until I finished class 8 the class 8 day I sat with the nedete muno wikana toire tuhede ni hede tuikaragia ruwa Kenya in public schools nigo murahe loka so niure ikaria so I remember the class 8 ndaigirwo na kijana fulani kipitaiga nire few gaigwa kwa direda so I told him unaweza shift unipe nikae hena Múirítu dona she was pretty udeda otuikana ni afu are mabombe you know au mete family yenye ilikuwa well up so gemwera no ni allow I sit with this girl akiwa ni sawa so I had no intention at yani you still like not exposed bado hakuna mtu umepata wa kukuambia
na amenya kurathi na abe
ore innocent kwa waru gikara na Múirítu yo and I remember the first time a girl told me I love you it was in class 8 I remember dadikaga kwa blackboard ine during break guy gere karu nigo kiria kejera she said you know what I love you did daigwa yani I've never felt like what I felt that day it was what did you just say ashokogo akihe a very crazy hug anavishi dakirogo ni you know I feel it it was amazing so from there it became a norm so you know hugging yes and it felt good so then akairetu kariaka kashukuru rege and I still now have my desk mate kakiguru hapo so after class
you na toire
no reure ni arata ni hagi tu
o hagi peke yake no na class 8 nginya hagi peke yake hagi ni akaitoga ithu tiahaga
really twakendere ogo but okay ndirona mundu wa kwira atiriri okay it's something that is growing in you ndirona mundu ngigwa comfortable kumira atiriri tuseme it's my mom nigiathiaga mwira atiriri mom na nikihag msichana I'm feeling good it's so abnormal but todo pia hiyo they didn't create that environment that you can tell them anything you feeling equally hard kogona diaragia ko rakira na uri oraigua no gatondu niragikena ri you just keep it to the heart so after class 8 I joined campus I joined high school. Yes, now that's where the exposure was too much so already nidira fight something within me na nidathire ukodo korea it's everything yani meko yani they don't hide now we have the stars they come out like you know we have the queer people know how after I went to high school how exposure was just way too much do how we kwara do mareda now openly they kissing they are doing their things they would like get intimate in the dormitories you know it was crazy anige because kongo kaudo gaka ri tikonu no because of dereiro kanitha-ine koguo nirona ni wiragwo kwina maundu ma homosexuality and they are not good no uri guku maragi kuna andu they are not complaining so when I went to high school idabire go cover up like whatever is happening na see you so dari mundu wa kanitha na mafuku yani it was nonaga I used to be hated by many people so dari ura mundu focused I'm a performer I'm a prefect na de wa kanitha kogo makona tayo is neat but deep down I know what I'm trying to cover up so this thing they go code as much as you're in charge as much as you're into books no yona kairetu so for one was innocent na ndava muno no lukire direda gwikare direda ko engage na airetu dika disappoint my mom and my dad plus ni hena kedora hitha so I used to work hard do demakenie nigetha yani diekeke odome mageto shukuru and everything yes plus growing up okay, I say this because that is the fact. Tukurite with 3 girls, I'm the second born. So tugekurare ndeiguaga there was a gap between me and my mom. Ndeiguaga kuna vile dayo kepi tashia na irege. So even me kwenda high school kwa kwa hadru dera kwa na tere maybe my mom will one day be proud of me doka na bemo you know. Yeah, so anaru hakinye hadru give up. I remember the first time in high school dokire number 4. I had an A. Rugikena guga yani mom oka any oka clinic ego gikenera mwana wake because oguo arugikinya hado yugiona they form to ni hodoni atire even my mom is not that happy at you know I'm performing oratwarai kana maina or that be plus 10 more be like negerete but it's a responsibility to work hard you know kogo giona so I'm working hard for mom
being appreciated
yes and everything so I said why can't I live my life how ni hodad nire najede tatiretu if I get this cabbage of mine then we'll be hugging I would feel good rather than copris modu utara kenori or expect why can't I make myself happy so ge cheza chini form 1 form 2 how form 2 gevigo theater kila that everything turned I became this crazy person I don't care about anything don't get me definitely you think them but then homosexuality I think for me I know it's a spirit nemu connecta mono na adwasho so even onaita ko associate now form 1 na form 2 eore no damo naga ni ukuona you know form 4 is new game and then you tell who you knew uko so do na kukureka ria urakigwa ni urenda so girekereria form 2 that's when I had this girlfriend of mine she was in form 1 and she was pretty I can say tokea bio haria twagitigirire hugging then you graduate you go to kiss again still in school but bado dena fiere yarire engenyitwo musiari etwo ru kuga ate you know I'm a good girl and I'm a church girl akogo ru giuga ru ekejikare ru maisha makwa yani so I used not to care about anything. Tisiyo ni ndatiganire nayo. Ndari mood kaire tukaria kahare bere siru ndatigana nayo. Ngigona ru mathomo nini getting these A's, B pluses and everything and appreciated the way you want. So let me do what makes me happy. Okay, let's just kumana na kwa shows in form 1 and do the form 2 nikurekia tugithiri form 3 na carry form 2 kwa to manite ugoga. Life was amazing. Me I can't lie. You know, we karete hado, this is a girls school. Muhigeirwo hado. Ukakira ugo karirikana yani there is someone who loves me somewhere. You just feel God.
Yeah.
So tokiendelea ogwo but it's developing. Okay, I can say homosexuality there bagiate ate once ogwo ni wa Kenya ogwo. It's step by step. Kwa hivyo it's something that is growing. Uko umaikinya rere ugakora ogwo takana. So it reached a point now I had multiple I get me Kenya. There is a form 1, there is a form 4, so how get to Kaneo form 3 to Gihana Tadagoroka. So it was form 4, form 3, form 1. I had like girls everywhere. No, that is very innocent, and being a prefect, ni daddy kagererio muno. Kogo dia kora wode makesi ni muno. So I'm having fun, but no one is there to ask me. Ni drake na with my girls.
Nduna mukuri.
Gotire ona mwarimu deko jira anything. So gedere ogwo gikinya form 4 now form 4 daddy na mabishtif. They form 3 had like form 4s. I remember the whole of form 3 dia dhomanga. Danyitarire na ma form 4s after supper. You know, we used to go for supper at around 6. Daddy agaru kiwaja. To yani that group of girls, we go chill there, not doing anything. So nilikuwa na feel there are people who are not judging you. Wamwena kwena kairetu in form 1 I have a crush on her. They go judge, they go, guy, how do you feel like, you know, niado marago thikiriri, and they give you a shoulder to lean on. So ndake na amuno tu now. So my whole of form 3 naturaja. Oko dideja the form 4 kila the form 4 the my career mathome the marorete. You know, it felt so comfortable being around them. So I had the ma kiumirere. Actually, I remember that time my bed. You know, there were the double deckers. We slept, I think, 5 girls on the same bed. You know, like you're trying to imagine this person, you won't see them. You know, almost near end. So yeah, it was very painful. Now itana be how after like form 4 it gets to form 4. So we wanna go kore. Kwa wana makesi maikimono. Because at times you would find out like lab. They would steal the boiling tubes, the whatever. Kwa corona cases, very weird. No, the alcohol hit when in Kureka. Girls used to be raped. Okay, nemari pago.
By girls?
Yes. Okay, it's like, Minister kuja hapa ni gwere nedire do you deny me. So, okay, deny definitely. Just like how men do it. Do give me ma and then so, corona cases nyige mono. But the devil is a lie. Do give me a time do monene. People used to go for suspensions. They used to go for G's, but yani nothing used to change. Unonyenda kile kitu kia makagiare. Figiga to igithikuga. Yeah, so ni dada kaga loki mono. But I remember ndathire counseling. Ndathire counseling re. Ndakorire mutumia. And the funny bit of it is, okay, the counselor orero kwarere they are part of your family. So you can imagine arakuhujeria mai na yaranywa. Yeah, so it used to be tricky, and I hated everyone from church ruginyaru hakinyire hado ginyaru siyo. You would see like people in the present worship adore maroka ginya like from outside komo hujeria. They used to nyoko monani yanyu, yani you would connect so easily and you run around hujeria. So I hated on everyone. You niona gotile yani odogia jere ko ni convince like whatever you're doing is bad, because like those people ginya ahujia male pastors, you know, you see them, they come there dressed in those kanzus and everything, they preach, but you feel like you're always so you die yani everyone. Even if when I went home I'm this good girl, I'd go to church, but ni bado ru kwanza wa mona ru ginya kanitha ini haria berere asha ona, you know, I used to hate on everyone. So form 4 I went to form 4. you know, Rune got this kichongumu and everything. Everyone knows. You know, people are talking, but I didn't care.
Na grade serious how can she go either?
Okay. I think we were 100 students. No dia kigo wagati ugo mono, but okay, it was not to my level best. Do dokaga how I remember came we show form 3 that in a position 28. Yeah, that was my that was G index. So dia kigo wa mono out of 128 is not that bad. Koboru ni for ni oboke ga feel. Yani you know I don't concentrate. You can't be having like girls.
Yeah.
Or have new question. Do you know what love is? Never she love imespoiliwa. Back then it used to be true love. Marwa wadeke kumaru sini ureti doke adika marwa. Twareginya na ifuku ukadika rushini ukamushokeria hawaii ubwe. So you can't focus. Ufumfo ni hodate ye mwerekera. I used to have many form 1, form 2. So every time they are coming to see me oriada ya konari again. So they used to come to our class to see me. So need ya form.
Ena to give you.
No can be comfortable. Rune ring leader. So you just there telling them what to do, what not to do. So give you go from 4. Gerekia. No nidaki. I got a campus grade. I thank God on a dynamic to go. But nidamenya kehena kedo kiorukira thena beredini wako. I used to crush on teachers. And the bad thing about me is I don't know how to keep quiet about my feelings. Nini gukwira okay menekana okay kare so like I never, you know, I had reached that point. I don't care about anything. So gerekia form 4 owega and now this is where now the real story starts. Ndabia koigwa after high school no nimatikana na ndo ya muramenyerete. So it's like you going out there to start a new life.
Yeah.
You have feelings definitely. In school you used to do something, you know, magokoja. Kuona mundu kumureha hakuhe ginya ethikire gwika uria murekaga, it's a bit hard. So life igikorwo ngumu sana your time after form 4. That was back in 2019. So I enroll na computer packages at least to keep me busy. Now ni disaster guna kiundu kirerudaga gatire. It's we vile few ni kirakogia ginya gwikarania na mundu ugo gari ni uraigwa kumira guys, you know, you wanna shoot your shot. So it was that bad. We don't act like a normal person. I would see my elder sister at the home musini two boyfriends, you know, would feel good. No ginya dreda ukiririo ni modo. So he told God hata mimi ni boy. And true to his what I prayed, that the computer packages I met this guy, he used to be a gay guy. Sorry to say that, but he used to be a gay guy. Niere gionani to connect. He used to be cute. It's a he, you know. So girlish. Wish the damo ndio boy. Yeye alikuwa anafanya beauty, then I was doing computer, so we just met. He was dressing like a she with the locks and everything, so tukapendana. But I think sikuwa nampenda ile todo ni mwanaume. Me was loving the woman in her. Atukiadana mono. But now the insecurity was that ukimuhorera go thimo usikia kwa na another man, you'll be insecure. Akiake hora aigwa you are with other women. Yeah, it's insecure for him. So geywasa why am I hiding like the real me? But the real they should did come out to yeni kukwirado udira ado rero waguhere ni gukwira mimi I'm not straight, you know. Gero gay karania na this guy of mine togetigana because of a lot of insecurities. You know, can you imagine roiwa modo na mwanake gyo kamenya gai takoroni kuna na rahe
ndenda kuria Thiri relationship yako na modo yakorogo mwaganagia toto ithenda na boyfriend kana ndari
alikuwa na wengi
akona yeye na uko na girlfriend
back then sikuwa mimi dama tigire shukuru.
So we ni wewe ye ni boy but boy dem.
Yes.
Na how hali yaga gate
how ure okay dakora haishore tutire turetekira dokinya the hurry you becoming queer and you coming out to the world like this when you're try to cover up. So hata kuwa na boyfriends but chini low key. So me personally I was not bisexual. So yani oko day straight kama ni wasichana it's girls. So that time I had chosen to be with men and your time we gay pansexual. So do take a but anyway back then bado ile the intimacy part of it sikuwa najua tutile tora upgrade bado
mule kissing na
kwanza na kuna outings like that is what I loved about him cause you watch you know like flexing with this kaboy who looks like a girl and everyone is just looking at you okay to me it was a flex kotebe na kovo so we used to go outings nini after school to the picnic and that was the joy of it to hang out together but the intimacy part of it to tia kinyete ora to tia mie to kinyete no ndedi ile muno ukimenya na kule ugethiaga but anyway leo kuma how tukihetania okay tikuhetania we things didn't work out for us kimwe hatiri hado hago ku force issues mudo ni kare maisha make you want to be with girls boys be with them let me be with my girls. So I remember I had a damn worry. I had spotted a girl from church. She was part of the praise and worship. Alikuwa cute because she's a style.
Niulize like ama dim ukimaro rogu ore wako kirora kinetha ugete haka ni karembo unasikia ukiwa attracted kwako kadem.
Okay, personally I think I used to be attracted to I love boobs. That one I can't lie to you. Not even the face plus. Okonera hota kujik. Ni mudo ikwaria na mudo kinyoka igwaja. Yugo. Ko na tidura kanake. Ore karari ogo the body okay wow. So I used to love so I used to afro ndo kwanza mena hado cheori. Yani you wanna flex na wewe. It used to because even that my guy used to be somewhere asio Mawaganu arogamire so kukuwa na cultural his MC nini so it used to do a shimidho mbele ya watu so hado hena chere dedete muno so this my girl the first girl I think we said we were dating ari wa present worship from our church damonete watene de primary but unaona do ku approach modo keke and me all I know in that world utikora what that okay hori there geseti will you be my girlfriend? It's a yes or a no. Tigo let me think. So I remember that time to it can't be so mtuishi life yake. This girl text kaniambia mimi sijui tanibeba aje. Mimi ni wa kanisa, mimi ni wa praise and worship, nini makoka, but I think I have feelings for you. Mimi nikamwambia this is what I've been waiting for. Don't let any onari unani ile kehaga wiki. Na bediganiro ni wewe okay. Gwe. So kamba we go on. So do head 2020 sija join bado campus.
You know alutaka ile tukirea praise and worship.
Gakege kuma.
Kana karioko.
Ni karioko ginyo mohe and maybe God bless them. They are doing your work. I hope they are doing this because they are not they are honoku. Ne honoku feel. So they do their things then Sunday we had a praise and worship. So kare ture karagaru gakonire ni de mood going yani je modo akiona gaka tugathi kanitha rimwe gathie kani kiss mbere ya andu te hari achome so we used to be close very close mwathi kinya kanitha you know if you love someone kuna maudu utage uwezi sikia vibaya kufanya hata mbele ya watu I love you okay so even if you do this it's not that bad kwa hiyo akionia gakari gakatuma gakatuma menyo kwa hiyo akaniambia I think this can't work out akijiratirire mwacha ishi hapo ona gutire ndo twakozirwo tweka
ugo ndo ura graduate bado
ni de modorere ni nyabiri kuigwa atirire no maka I'm starting to let the world know me my friends I told them you know
ndo abio kama udo
boy maudo badogo meka demo nene baby that's so awkward ruhaure no ni adega I went to camp. I joined campus now. No one is watching you. No one is telling you not to do this, not to do that. So, Ruhau campus re. Gikorashukuru itore. It's a technical school. My boys niyo ige. 10 to girls 22 you know you can imagine if the population ya men yo nene gukira ya girls you can imagine uri atoire tu so in a ratio or in toko ni 1 man is to 3 girls you imagine uko kaile tuko kahana atia matiariega so I stayed kuna hizi ma groups zinakuanga za hizo manini vya clubs in town ya hawa watu, so he said that maisha ni kujituma. If you stay there utaishi peke yako, go meet other people. So how I met the first girl. That is when I tried. That was in 2020, after now this corona time. They can hostel by the first year. 2019, I joined September 2019. So all this is happening in 2020. And I get a how that graduate. Redonio, kuna go trip, kuna kopeana head, kuna pair toys. So mood was here graduated. So that is when it's not all about kissing and hugging. So there are more better things to do than
ntokwira mwiro religion ni matikio mudo takona mwana agika maundu macio.
Okay, I can't explain deeper. I'm not like telling people to try out. No, mamenyeshiko. There are things called tribbing. We call them scissoring. That's the sweetest. Then we have heads ni jugo kilimudu, so and heads. Then fingering, that's so normal. Sex toys, they are everywhere, very available. So game how damenyire back in 2020. How damenyire
kumbe.
This is where sweetness lies. In my life, I've never had an encounter with a man. Kogo dole ginyana yakurigidani. This is the very first time I'm so innocent from the Shago there, so I'm very innocent. Kiabia kuonio, but no, I have the first guy. Okay, I think I've dated studs a lot. Kogo study gig, okay, he used to be a low. Why don't I get myself a Kikuyu mudo na kuruma kama amekutusi ni ukomenya ni ate ugimera nire digwesiria actually are ginya na mwana Múirítu sio they had got a baby mena demi yake, so me I was decided to cover, you're not even comfortable. Yeah, but she was good. So the whole time Nika didn't know what is going on. Did I get upgraded? Everyone knew. The hostel, I remember, men used to approach me. Nida Kenya wouldn't care. Shikes, I think I love you. No, I'm not straight. The rainbow bracelet, ile amgu. I used to have the chain, rainbow. And everything used to be rainbow. Hey, can't I remember I had this long socks taking I had with the hustle when going to fetch my lunch, supper. The kiraga Kenya woko. You all like colorful rainbow. Do they get a and then people koko kwa meso walikuwa wanagongana hivi. Yes, ndo wako. So, but I didn't care. Like that is me. Ona Múirítu wagioni wagitembea na they'll be like we ataanza kuintroduce kwa gazing. Then I'm like, no, people got their thing. People love men. Mimi nimechagua kupenda. So I used to be I don't care in school. So 2020 goes down. We used to go like for our attachment after the first year. So after that I had to rent a house for myself to stay outside. After first year 2021 now, 2021 I got my house for myself. Now you have multiple choices. We have to introduce now, femme, studs, all those people. It was amazing. Options. Okay, must today what our school is not that big. Definitely everyone will know. So I'm not caring about anyone. My sister mkubwa ashajua, my in-laws, everyone knows. And the sako ya remain, it's my parents who don't know. Daumareuja, wikararuja ya shukuru. Yeah. No my daughter ni muhonoku ni athia kanitha tutigwaga na scandals na men on oka muci akoragwa Múirítu mekunyo, so they are not even bothered what does she do when she's in Nairobi. Oni marari hanyoba ntoro tumwambia shairi onake she's okay. Ogo ruhau niho ndakigeire not the real freedom. You're not like sharing a room with anywhere. Now it's you and the world. It's you and it's me and girls. Everything. Yani unasikia like explore. you go deeper, you dig deeper. And then I say shetani anakufanyanga unasikia tu tamaa. Maudo within like 1 year umejaribu like almost everything. Yes. I remember things zianze fall apart. It was, I had this custard of mine. I used to love her. Nitakwenda dada modo jibwaga tu. You know. Hey, unampenda yani na roho yako yote. So I used to love her way too much. Twenda ni tema. Yani, okay, I don't know. Maybe she was good in bed. I don't know. But I bet, hiyo ni reason moja. Ndamwede temono. Uhede rune kamili out. So, there is a club in town you used to go every Sunday and for Saturdays. I don't know the name of this beautiful couple. So rumo yetu adigaru niwo, I think my life changed kabisa. Todo ajeri ni damu, kumweda excess. That day she told me, shakes me, I don't think this will work out. I think you love me way much than you love yourself. Hey, how? Get the remember that night. Okay, so after like we did whatever we did, that is when she told me that. So this is my sister's number. My sister lives in Utawala, and this is my mom's number. Where are they? And uskie, I'm not like there anymore. Whatever happened. Yani I've done this to myself because of you. Akiona tare jokes. And when she went, I've never been that hurt in my life. When you gemenya nate gutigana and everything, so this time it's mudo you connect. Na mama how you just to another world then you atigani. I remember that day and rest. I slept on the floor for a whole night. Kuma kedo 5 in the following morning. It's my sister who was waking me up. Ko ni horire dhimo. Yani I just wanted something so painful. Not together she kana ke yani kedo yani kitani fanya ni jiwe tu yani pain kiodo kile ni hatire muno. So ukuma how why am I even loyal to a girl who will never even marry me? Why don't I hoe around now?
I get him. So at the end of the day matri kuhikia.
Yes.
Ado mahikie.
No how get multiples, so like
try the multiple career no kugwetera encounter siganona bado ura act man
Asha, that same do negeri genya ko dress up. Okay, I think some things are just inborn. Okay, here or a dageri kwa shaman ni dinare mo ginyaru ori oraria. I tried dressing like a man and then it's not hitting me. So I was this girlish person. So I just said, like I jikare de fem. But do later nego kapona ginyaru kwemenya makeria. For this cafe, we used to call them femmes. I'm this girlish person. Yes, at times I used to be a pillow princess. So it was amazing. You got what you talking hahania. So gemenya internet niyo kila kedo. And gemenya it would reach more people who work out dinner. I used to take crazy photos, even with straight people. I think I'm so influential. We post, like internet. So everything about me are rainbow kila mahali. What's up? Rakutile modu da brokaga. My utire. So gevio go ndabe uko na multiples. That was in 2021. The whole story we go about last year actually, not even far. Nini go na toike. Ohareru afuru spirits misconnect if you unadwa ya. Tuginyoni unathi ugo kona modhuria na gekari kenene. But just having a good look at him, ukafiro yone wanyu. So ginyaru atumia married women. Not I know carry. I'm this good person. Guy. But I remember nikienda church, my mom is a very spiritual person. Nimeigwa kwa hivyo amesikizana sana na pasi. Pastor ni ajira hapi. And out there girls will approach you. But your response is what that matters. When you komera nigo, undi damura go gazeka gari go guy oromenya utamu ore how. Yeah, so cuz the whole time you talk about ya kigere timu no okay because they know what God created is amazing. No get timu no, so I think it was everything. So I multitask or social media in or I was approached by a video vixen. Okay, she's pretty, she's dressed well with big boobies, big ears, and looking good. That is what I wanted. She's not as pretty, like, okay, but anyway, she had everything someone would look for in a girl. I stop hoeing. Because she had money. And I think money is everything. Money is happiness, money is everything. She had money. So that's why we decided that okay, Dana, mi sikuwa nampenda ile ukweli, but I'm there for money. Ni mtu ungeambia babe, I've said kiatu fulani mahali inataka pesa ngapi, it's okay. Like kadha test godira atomire there. And so we used to meet up. But then we never did anything with that girl, not near death ya bia dage nyima. So we even reached a point to aretogia mwana na together. Yes.
Moko yetu.
Okay, I was to be nini dari like a mom. So every dona. Okay, she's a Muslim. I gave her dona. The Arabs, they got this cute hair and soft faces and everything. Ukogo to every dona. So twaritore the sperms. Rumatube Mamudure. Then aruto. She zimaje so mi kari kwa wale mwana oshore angekuwa na bond. Okay, mimi si wangu because ni noko mkuu damu kwa but the bond ingekuwa sorry bond ingekuwa because mimi nimebeba no itubetiria kwa na mudhuri so daikarago gesiria tiriri. What if I get this baby gomorori yako? I'm still in school. No, dareda mwana thodo ni areda mwana. She wanted to keep me. I want you to have a baby for us so that I can be sure you never leave me. No, mwana. Okay, the bond they get. Yeah, so gesiri horo shigina did there mom bado, but I had planned maybe after that I kesh kuru nige me I'm gay and I'm comfortable. So ni mutieta ya nega mo hera mutudi. So Jugathere dimerete joke demoumirire nada and then convincing an African parent at the end of the tiamo dhurire okay, it's hard kwa viate. So I said like Kenya page terere no na ruyo akirakara akiona koguyo ona dari serious na relationship eno ito ro ni na ni did stress nda hiro stress ya kuigana kimwira ni sawa corona tare kuregari you can be good friends we chill and everything koguyo oshe no ikiuga taikarie nake for quite some time ugiambia ruginya kumere bia pesa ni mzuri gemutiga that's when tuoke rutore kereire ugo gedera na maisha maya mage Maihúire and everything. So back in 2022 that's when my mom will come to know that kana okay, it's crazy actually na nejitikira kuririka roya gwathire. So mimi huku nje mimi nafanya mambo yangu then mom MC we remember my mom started falling sick akarwara no na Nairobi and Naivasha anagonjeka. Every time I call she be like I'm not feeling well but everything will be okay. Dada ukuonea what is happening. Hey gimore mirimo no it's becoming too much. Nini naendelea kaniambia wewe soma kwanza when you come for the summer breaks tutaongea. So I remember this day I go home, it's the craziest time of my life. Did I work out utakiu. So I you cannot carry it's been a while you've not seen your parents. So you expect my work and kere. So that day I came from Nairobi. I called my mom and then nikamwambia mom nitoka Moshi yeah mokedugere and everything. But my mom was so down. No ya ruginyoka igwani tarari na ntari feel but did I connect the dots. Keinuka we had a shop somewhere away from home to adikete my aunt. Kwa my mom junior she's a teacher au mashukuru athiaga kamuikaria alafu dad anatupika akienda home so gevi how duka ini my mom vile alinipokea nilikuwa zile za like mom you didn't miss me the whole time anyo nilio bugiona aina mia mtu then I'm like what's up afu ni dakaraga ihenya rugeri wathe moru na active ni kama hujafurahia kuniona so I say hi then my mom this is me and kiodo kona mudo na kiodo hahawo but I didn't bother so we stayed there. We not even making stew korea Nairobi kurari there so it started red flags. My younger sister sees me kororo ni arona pain the parents are going through because of you kogo nake ni araigwa kiundu kiu no dangekwira. So my sister comes and says hi to me, then I'm like, Rachel, what's up? Why is mom mad at me? Atakwambia, hey Girigo, hi, what is not happening? Hey gemaka fio agishoka gira atiriri gutiri undu njikite. I've not done anything wrong. Yani this how you know that day pure ni dona day fio. I remember that day tuikarita hau nduraririo na ni muona na ria mbere. My dad came akipark gari hau kando agitwira tume. I was the first one to come out of the shop. Tondu ni nduraririo. My auntie is looking at me with these eyes of kai unajua umejulikana wewe because my auntie used to tell her everything. Wewe utu tusichana toka tutoto hebu ongeaga na tusikie lesbian kama mimi. So ni amenya kwa na adora afani ruda umari. What even shocked me most, my dad was not like even knowing me. Athigera gari ni akigethia we mwega. So abnormal. How do a dad like say hi to her daughter? We mwega. So odd. Gekira. Kiona ona darabotha gutinda gikuria niki utaragithika. Then kiona ru things are not okay gimuria. Dad niki wageithia we mwega. Wakiga kai kare we ni maguga ni mutumia ungitukuaga wana haha aija ndiramenya ona niwe kai ni okire kimera ni jokire. And then he was not even happy. Gemenya rugo ko ni wakanire mwana tekora na mbere guko. Yes, my mom comes tukaingia kwa gari and then we went home. Twakinyare ni ndonire mama ikara handu gitini ukona ni maithori arakengeria maithori tukahuria goniki. My sister ate and went to sleep, so I was left with dad and mom. Ruho neho dad break rutukerea ruo na rudramenya, but you feel like something is not happening. That's when my dad told me hena kiroto ndirakorirwo na okay akaniambia uko Nairobi, you've heard that your mom amekuwa sick and everything. Na hena kiroto arotire na ikihoro muhuri kiroto kiu via me then via your pastor. So me dad direka hakimia gai ni ndamenywo tondu ndigwa korwa thari ndamenywo ugo no nderirwo. My dad started akijira mama nyara rotire atirere we were in a conference. I told you they are spiritual people. Mari kiuga sitawa siugano yes mari siugano then kokiuka kuhoreirwo hindi ukora hujore kuhoreirwo ri makigwa hoye haki yetu maigwa haki yetu no mia ru nita commotion akirorwo. So my mama ri haria akirorwo kwa thutha what she saw nini guite flag is the rainbow flags na ma poster madiketo haki yetu. So we fighting for the rights of that community. So my mama doro akiona nini na nini nyanelele nene yani uko front line nito na ikudi na do flags and everything haki yetu na nikiugano so athi ukorado. Then after that my mom akiambia kuhoya ru anyona that's in a dream akiambia kuhoya akiraga ino she can't be the one nini na akenda dad akiria guy ni wewe. Mimi nikamwambia nenie na I want to kill someone. Hey ati I want to kill someone. Yes you know your dad wakiro rune dad rure ajirate guy newe. I said yes it's me in drama it's me and I want to kill someone dela kuraga mundu ohede ore rirathi umire haria de directed to my dad. No fortunately haikugonga yumireko okay it's like I was carrying I was armed. Okay maudo ma kiroto you know it's like a vision. So it's not like physical nikomura gogo but he almost died anyway in the long run. Kogo geikara reu nona ni arota akijuria atiriri ni uramenya niki kirathi na mbere ni the whole time nginya ni nyina miri kogo no gutheka ndiratheka kogo ngai ndakimenya amenya kana what next kogo nanda kemenya ru ori what next ru ndi gukena ru ni mamenya yona nduri ku I remember dada jiria Thiri undorago do you know I'm a biological father and I have a right to tell you what you should do and what you shouldn't do. Kemera endera menyo gukija tajira ndito icio kana ni ciama kana together like meaning yege kigwa ndamahaire ndito cararuku. Mom na yeru tugikara akejira Thiri now that you have to change. Kemera he ni ndiracenjia kemehedire ndira mundu wa guka kwira hindi there was a time I was so desperate to change. no tie mundu ari hau guthikiriria. I remember mom alikuwa ananiona, okay, there was a time hakinyite after the campus bado they did a fight easy feelings, so I tried like bringing a man close there at least when kana feelings ishire they got to transfer to a man, but every time mama would see me with a man alikuwa ananiuliza muraroga mate afara, what do you think people will say? Naona kogo ni better kuone na wasichana rather than kukuona na vijana. So kiririkana hidio na gira karamuno gibe ile time ungenipea that shoulder uniambie mutiare ho mojeraga what will people say, ona thaici ndukireke mauge reke mauge. So it was that mad. Niamenya ru ngero atiriri, okay, in that, okay, after that ni ndare gucenjeri, she had another vision kuonio haria level yakinyite. Okay, onio haria twambiririe, it was a wide road, ni farafaro wide, twambiririe turiki akoni andu aria ginya wa ere ya home twambiririe tuigana atia none ona gari niire tunyitanite ugo moko we walking ni ngamarekie ni uria mathire kahora. I go to the second group gona ni mara, so ni ndakinyitie step ru haha at the end of the road hari irima iriku muno. So how akionio ri ndari haha stage ya mwisho, ndari almost kugwa irima. Aro kugwa irima ni sasa ni wagea mwana. So niona kioni yani maudu ginya andu aria othe yani mara ku influence nini, yani andu othe aria ndari nao, my mom used to tell me, unajua mtu anaitwa hivi na hivi, anawajua anaonyeshwa ndemo no ni aronio. So in that dream angewaona na hoya kama ina jirogwe ni gumaka kaidwa na saredo. So I was told like the first thing you have to go for counseling. This is something that you've been with, ginya na watu ke comfortable, everyone knows. Adu ginya kanitha na adu kanitha ni moi, yani everyone knows. Kwa hiyo na ukwambia kumena tena wachetia. Plus I'm not even willing to change. Girls are the best. They making me feel like you home. Yani okay, that family, not even girls, the whatever adu ashokuya wote othe matoma wewe home. Kwa ni diare na there is no point of change. Nikinyo mutagesheja meshiria manyu munyede okuhana. Nagikoshokia thuthare. Tene deshiragia, I'm attracted to girls, so I love girls. So I thought I was a lesbian. But now we karagare the campus, I realized I'm not even attracted to girls only. Dai karana modo munori. I used to hate bisexuals by the way. Not in Dabia Konaga bisexual. I've never had an encounter with a man. I tried it out last year. That is 2022. Yes, and it was amazing, I can say. So dona dai karona na modore regardless of the gender. The more tuna bond, the more you have no sexual feelings for that person, regardless of the gender. I'm not even like a lesbian, so I'm something different. So I came to realize that kitu inaitwa asexual. Now under asexual was a demisexual. You will never find strangers sexually yani dogia crush ile modu igwe ko get intimate nake muonana, but exactly. Kwa hiyo ne ginya ne jokire damenya deeper things about this thing. Ndio kakumenya the whole community, it's kiabereria kaore the devil was trying to fight marriages. The devil knows a fight marriage ni anina kanitha na nina kanitha re si ametawala. So the initial plan yare kunina marriages. So if to get transformed in all the koro yani a community there will be no like normal kids. So things would be devil so yani I even knew it's wrong, whatever, but you so yani the happiness I used to find there until you do get jeri ko giving a counselor. I was taken to a counselor of which I used to tell my younger sister, we should talk about we can. It's a lot of money to get hero to carry chicken in. Because I thought you need your help. So you're telling the counselor whatever you went through. you know ni modo you know guy maudu maya nimekikaga you know we just hear them kwa TV and everything kumbe ni makorogo mekuo uginyoka kimwira ginya andu akanitha ginya hunjia yani everyone is there ni ko gutiri undu so ginya akimaka so at the end of the day I never felt like she helped I went home the funny bit of it is nida henagia mom ni ndrona the suffering they are going through mama nikumikia undu giki my dad akirago ndetha kunyona I told you ni daugite ni kwa kiroto nilikuwa nimemwambia I will kill you he almost died
okay
kiundu giki ri ndare ciarirwo akimenya maundu tamaya so iyo kufia yani ya mukora nyumba Lufia yore ginya rukona ni arahisha ahana feel at times he's off ginya wera inajira aradirikana ogwo my existence and my story akaigwa ni kama like he's gone yani he almost marwa they have come up with it even reached a point where mom wished for death ile guy akimwambia me I can't watch yani servant she's a deaconess so ati digikondera serve ado kumatongoria kumera this is the right way to follow yet my kids then umara they are doing the opposite of what I'm preaching kwa hiyo ngeni jeheria dikone ciana ciakwa cige kigo against will kwa hiyo hakinyete hado mathira ginya gukuona nani ikanza sasa kuni hunt ni kaendelea gucenje you know I'm trying to imagine ile kitu ulionja uachane nayo
na ndio tu unajua
mimi tunajua like whatever I'm feeling I've not tried this other side semenya gani kuona kuwa kukiri kwega so me I know this is you know this is where everything lies this is the world it's the sweetest guy oh my god jira akoririkana so get down gimawe counselor bado dia sejirie and the funny bit of it is that dogagane daseje I remember ugira mom ni sawa me went for the counselor and twaliria and it change utukoshi yore that is when my mom came the following morning okay akijira shakes nipe hiyo bangole mkono ya mguu na hizo chains na vitu fulani ruto gift to dada kihetwa ni adu akishina so in this nyaronyo room mauduri amarathi kwa yani kila kitu akaonyeshwa akionyo ginyaru nani anafanya nisikubali kutoka akakijira terere consider ni nani no aciari yako ni hivi ugufuata ngani akana ugufuata family in blood ngiambia kwa na rune menyirwo fio I you know andu aria maratomadika umeri othe makiho you know like so my mom would fight via prayers need spirits rusirahurana so this world mwenore ogere ni urahuranirwo no yoge ni urahuranirwo ruge kiugiwa atireke detwe ndacenjia ndacoka na irofire mimi I continue with my thing ke pretend ogwo ona ngima mucidia maragiti ndigwa ndima menete ndahiga gwatire rumara ni force ni change henderia ni njiguire ni yani niko home nimefika ngima muciru ni ndathie a lot of sessions deliverance kanisa no bado ni deep in me ndamenya mimi and whatever I've tasted bado kwa gitoka na irofi now that is when August 2022 last year tu hata si kitambo so ndio ndaririkana riu nona ndamahenia riu ndehenio nani ngoro nde tondu ni arona ngoro ndamahenia kuko nani ndehenia ngoro atirire imi change nagicoka na irofi riu nani ri o hau gacaga-inĩ ri I meet this girl oguko mtai-inĩ guko tugethie actually we went for a coffee date tugethie Java get treat ka girl gakwa the next morning I had a class Ravi Stosia bagia 8 ginya 5:30 so this morning get dress up well I went to class takinya kira migo no kugwadago ire I didn't know the reason doka de mwega ke no takinya daipire tu I remember telling my deskmate kai mimi nakufa na nikazima so I was taken to hospital then after that I called my mom nikamwambia mom imagine I fell sick out of like nothing utili utodeka and I was told like I have a panic attack mwangu aliniambia me was expecting me want to be like guy nini nilifanyika aje niate nilikuwa najua ikanihit guy ni yule msichana tulikuwa naye jana akaniambia aje Shakes tuongelee mambo, it's either you choose kukufa ama uishi wachane mambo. Hey, that is when it hit me now. So my mom is fighting spiritually. We are a fight kwa nini battleground. When you're in a he can say they organize a demon, so she can get also the hawataki. So no do a fight issue. So that's why I was falling sick. No kairi go but me don't know how it worked. So akijirani mandamenya nigumenya and everything
na Kūhithūria
kwanza ila murariko ulikuwa wapi
alikuwa amenyera maundu maya
na hakuna mtu unaona like I'm not even telling my sister, I'm not telling you. Ni mimi na huyo tudem tulienda na tukamalizana. Nikaanza kuona now this is becoming serious. Na giona fio nimeekuwa like they would die. Gigae hiyo kwanza ile tutogoto mam
ukue
mama kwe kai nani eguere ni gutiga. So that time I felt sick. Giga akihoya, but you know, like when you love someone and you know what you're gaining from them, ni ngumu kumuacha. So this girl, I think already she was at tomato kuma that kingdom. Walikuwa wanajua my weakness. No, they know everything about you. Kwa alikuwa amejua oyo toa mutwara oyo deku atakweta. My mom prayed. Kuma hiyo siku huyo dema tukaisikizana. Okay, haujamfanyia kitu but things are just falling apart. Gira mam asa ni choose me. Bado dira tekera kumari ufio. Bado mahoya dira hoero. Ni ya rujoke nimeteri. Sasa we dem tukavurugana kabisa. So we not even in peace. I told myself, so let me try what God created. If that is what is gonna make mama happy. Ketugerie. I remember the first time I cried. Did I thought on you that it's like betrayal. How are you having sex with a man?
Mwana kia kubako. No no kuweza kare yoko mweza. But okay, we at least share a story. We have something in common. So kwa toko mitogo kumatura ini. Anyway, I cried. Tell you ni ate deka. No, normally. I cried a lot. But I told God, if this is what will make my mama to be happy, I will do it. So nika embrace the normal thing now. No baduri. Kuna vile tu unasikia like the other side is the best. So I remember I did my exams in November 2022 in December. Itanabia kigarania ni mama sent me a text. Tulikuwa tumeenda kuvisit archives. I was with one of my friends. The archives gona mama dome yake message kipa composition, yes. But I didn't bother to read. Ni mabwani ni even ya mahoire. Ndio dono horo wao. So even it do archives my mama calls. Hebu nilisoma kitu nilikwambia. Nikamwambia hapana, ndo nimefika kwa nyumba, let me open it. Whatever I read, I told God, mimi nimeamua. Aliniambia mimi ukisoma hiyo message ujue mimi nimeambia God ni dari kaniana ni dhaba moko toru ni yake hoile. Yani she did everything possible kunitoa huko. No toru ni dare mari. Aliniambia me have told God. Ni dai wo afuru message that dekirwa ya rere like my last distraction. Yani rere already gani ni rore ya mwisho. So alikuwa anaona like dogi zinanikula zikinivutanga kwa manini chafu. Then akitry kwenda kuninyang'anya kwa hizo madogi. It's in a dream. Athi kodunyo kiviari. Akona ici nisi komuria kwa akihera card. Akijira tirere you going to die. And even honest yoginya matireda dekia now my course. Yani it's a long story and I did that because it's painful. Huni hodai ria. Mama ni hera. Na newe stronghold newe yakuhoyagira at least ndugakwe. Kiria tirere what's the purpose? Okuothie kwa gomo kahe. Ni ndwa something good you've been feeling for ona duni nite. I'm 22 kwa na tunyaka toyete wega ni tonini muno. Tony or explore. So I just said to myself, I remember I had dreams, I had whatever. That's you did this, you're there, get it, take away, how high to. And I told God, this is the new me. I'm not going to die.
no one is going to die because of me. And when I said that, I remember my dad called and they were so happy. Wakanibariki and they told me go and preach the gospel. And naambia watu wajue ni ukweli.
Mamenye mauduma
meku no methi adimo unajua. But before that we had Darianiro. For me unigetha riu mafaito wo this much. It's an altar diaries in the family, the homosexuality. We said they are spiritual, so it's an altar we had raised for family homosexuality. So for us to fight ogu ginya nigetha ni ginya how hakugaya ni amount no ginya magea raise another altar stronger than what I had raised nigetha ku fight eno. So I remember we gave a very prime piece of land nigetha riri to the etakigogona nigetha ona hindire tuseme watoto wangu watakuwa kwa hizo vitu haita ndiretengagira kwa kigogona kia raisiro dad. So I think that is what helped me most. So kuma how you marry the altar, so at least on other she give account that you train and go back at least they have you remind God we had a covenant with you, we raised an altar so from there henceforth nilianza ku embrace like career God created the initial strategy of a man and a woman enjoying it each and every day and it's amazing.
Nditu na ciuria nyingi muno tondu twakorwo tugikiheana story ro nginya mwisho kire kia mbere ri nako ukigwetera atumia nginya ahiku atumia nginya ahiku ri tondu makiri okuo go society ni ri andu angi ungimamenya ate na mwacemanagia ri mwacemanagia ku ni ku mundu angi avoid guthira gacemania na ari kaire turu twake karageri ku avoid maundu macio.
Okay, as I said earlier, ni spirits. Mundu muici na muici ngimona naona kanitha ni mekurwa na mahinganire ritho. Nimekomenyana. Tondu ni spirits shira connect. So either atumia ona kanitha-ini ni ugucemania ona farafara ni the dakwira ni the confidence yago ni dakwenda I don't know like how to hide what I'm feeling. So on the streets ine dona ahiwe ni wetu. Hey, you know, can I have your number?
Mumenya ati kana no kurora na
unaona actually ni kumorona to like just having a direct eye contact nigukwira actually on other issue taro wanaira dira I met someone somewhere I had gone somewhere I just looked at them and then I'm like guy whatever I'm seeing like into details yani ginya dira guy ni dikwenda kuona todo people look so innocent no amoro they are so innocent but you know do I think but I'm able to discern that you connect their eyes, maybe you hug her, you would tell. You just connect. They are everywhere. They are in church, they are in clubs, they are in restaurants, they are everywhere.
Nikireke ngidenda kuria sukuru ri tondu we okay si umekuwa kwa shule like gumeta miaka igana ni kindu miaka 8 ya campus na ya high school na si kitambo jumeniambia nimemaliza last year maundu maya ri nyingiri ndathomete hau gabere hanini how bad is it in schools?
It's bad. Actually that is where most people get the exposure and actually ni kindu igira arimo stop assuming these things are not there. Talk about these things. Go to schools. Era asianisha terere lesbianism is there, gayism is there. Na ni onaweka ugo ni okuigwa wega. Actually it's so satisfying. But end results niki consequences sha udo yo not igotinda gokirwa terere usifanye it's bad. In schools it's there guy imbaya na demere kuhe mwana ji kumhe ito kumuigata for good it's not helping athi we cancel ucio akamukatira they bond na akamwandikira ke marwa na akamuhurira mo it's not helping era mwana weka ona mutumia ni ukuigwa wega mi ama testimony ni ukuigwa wega fio na wega fio but what are the consequences niki go follow after that you see the truth because oromaya school high school
no
90% Maihúire
we ni rugano ru no gituka rwa kumakia tunadikiwa maundu macio me rampant makire kuo no ndieciragia makome maingi githemba kiu na kiro ni ngenda kuria ri thutha wa gwika interview iyo ndironete ri na kana kwiyumeria na gukorwo ati ni urariria maundu maya ukira andu ni makoragwo kuo what are some of the challenges ugereire thutha wa kwiyumeria na ringi changes wonete in your life for better njega kana njuru?
Okay, to start with the first question, challenges mundu arakorana nacio ni ati there are people out there shaitani ndarikanagia na mundu ogu ihenya. So at the same time ni rona andu marako encourage and they are happy for you for coming out, but at the same time kwena andu mage go pull back. They will come yukuhurirwo thimu akwire ni ndirakuonire na ndirafeel ndoni rauma, we can still try this. We have men who thuriri wari anu no marakenda, you still explore with them. Koguo you get like mixed reactions kwena no gutiaga challenges no challenge area main ni andu akwenda gucokia kuo na aria marakigeria go pull you back your mind, yani
gumaroka
gukani meguka, but I think right now I know what I want and I know where I'm going, so I'm not turning back.
Nakoro ukigwetera ni ndirarikirie githomo na ndiganirwo kuria urathomagira kina tha icio ikaga ati?
So ni ndirathomagira kindu gitagwo quantity survey, that is part of building engineering. Ndirathomire shukuru itagwo Kenya Institute of Highways and Building Technology. It's under the Ministry of Transport and Infrastructure. So right now I'm still looking for an internship. Koguo riu hatiri undu ndireka. I'm still waiting for the next results to be out. So riu horeire uguo trying to figure out like what next before the results are out. Koguo no ndiragetha internship.
Uguo mundu ina kuja na ni akora kikigo ko tamariria riwe.
So if you have any opportunities, you can get me via my phone number, that is 0758 233 225, na nitafurahia sana, I'll be glad.
Nimeigua na murori na mbeo ni gukonge gwikirira hau thi wa screen hakondu na kuhota gukorwo ugikimenyita wega. Tukima hau ri mundu gwitwo ondo gwitwo sku ndigariro nginya nditawerereri ni gastori kaure gakinyitire. Tukima hau ri ngondaririe mwana ukire na ku high school na ku primary school na igwa ringi ena tumaundu tu no amenya wajira atiriri thina ni kwaga kwirwo kana ukomena umenyo gutauku. Ngondaririe mwana ucio na muciari nake ri onake ukorwo kimwariria tundu turaikwa kirora he mwana amenye mwana one ambiririe maundu maya kana murerero agikwa kirera mwana ati nginya mwana agiona maundu maya ri ni akota ku identify ye mwenyewe.
So mwiroreri tukwambia na kwariria mwana we hauja because we have technology na koguo na mwana agikinya miaka 8 na 7 hau ni arakorwo already exposed. So mwana okorwo ri hau na ni uranyona kindly etha mundu ria we close nake, if you feel like you attracted to the same gender, etha mundu wa kwaria nake, whether it's your spiritual father kana ni muciari waku we hakuhi nake, thio share nake umurie mami ndiraigwo no, is it the right thing to feel, kana dad ndiraigwo, yani you find someone mundu we hakuhi nawe umwaririe nigetha ndugakinye haria nie ndakinyite, tondu andu ingi marakinya hau ndakinyite matihotaga kuma. Secondly, kwe muciari aciari tu ni I'm here for you, ndirenda twaranirie. Muciari ciana cigikora ri tutigae gucihura tugicikagia nja, tugacihura tugicicokagia na thiini, na ciana ona tugicihuraga ri ni tuciaririe na tuciire atiriri kwe maundu maya ni mekikaga. Sexual education is something we should embrace kwe ciana citu. Waga kumwira hau nje eguthie erwo ni mundu ungi, koguo agikura mwirage ni gukoragwo na maundu maya metagwo sex mathia no na waigua ona maundu maya ma LGBTQIA+ mekuo ni mega na ni ukuigua wega na kila kindu ni ukuigua, but what are the consequences? Mutaririe kwena consequences sigo follow after that. One, ni gukorwo ukihithiria Ngai. Secondly, it can lead even to death. Kwena STDs, STIs and everything. Mutaririe maundu mau mothe ari o munini nigetha agikura ri turagwo mutiurungagwo wi haria uri o munini nigetha wanene hari kiria wa uria wa urungite noguo ukukura uhana. Koguo aciari turunge ciana citu cirio nini tuciire ma na tutikaigwe thoni gucitariria tondu mwaga kumera the media haja social media is there, waga kumera ni mekwirwo ni andu engi
akoke mariria. Tukima uri heno ndungi parting shots.
Parting shot, regeda kuga, let's create a friendly environment ya kwaraniria. And if you have any questions, I'm ready to answer. Na, all water.
mwiroreri nako ukiguira rugano rwa mundu gwitwo Wanjikũ kana Cikũ indike mawoni maku ni mwena wakwa ndikire na mawoni kindu kikenda kwira muciari no guteterithia uguo Cikũ akorwo agitwira ukenda wako ukimenyithia mwana maundu maya ndagakoragwo aukimathoma nenda-ini tuciitaga nenda cia ukinyaniria tondu mwana ucio nekuremwo nginya uria gukorwo aukihota kuhandu maundu macio akirio yika uguo ukuhiririe mwana na ugakoragwo nginya ukimonitor nginya mikarire ya mwana arata tondu maundu maya makirikona ni wakigua mara affect muno ciana cia primary school secondary school magacoka magakigraduate na no magraduate nginya before uguo muciari ni hakwa no ukwira rora mwana wega kuhaniriria na mwana na muthenya wa umuthi tukirikiria hau ni njitagwo muhea wa maingi until the next time bye bye peace.